This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by J. Reilly. Charming one-level home in the desirable Liberty Estates development. Open floor plan with master bedroom on one end and 2 bedrooms at the other end. Roosendaal-Honcoop built and well cared for by the original owners. Kitchen and baths updated with granite countertops and white appliances. Recently fenced and backyard with fabulous covered aggregate patio for easy maintenance and great entertaining and new storage shed for gardening tools. Minutes to I-5, shopping, Bellingham and Ferndale. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Reilly at 360-734-7500.